Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're teaching us how to make bread cheese pocket. Let's get started. So for this, we've been eating the circles part we had in the last video. First, you will need to put butter. After putting butter, you need to have cheese cube, and on top of the cheese cube, add mozzarella cheese. After that, connect the two buns together and add water in the side so you can stick well. Repeat this for all the bread. As you can see, I'm only adding a little bit of butter and only add one cheese cube because that's enough. One cheese cube is enough, and add a little bit of mozzarella cheese only is enough. And now I'm pinching the sides, and because that'll be faster and it won't fall off. After putting the butters, everything, I think the best way to do is to put the butters in all the breads, then put the cheese cubes, or you can just do one by one. That's also easy. Just do what for you. What do you think is easier for you? This is a very easy recipes. You can do it. Example, if you want to if it's a very quick snack, you can do it like anytime, because most of the snacks, actually I'll say all of them, you have it at home. Now what you're gonna do after that with everything, you must stir the egg. It must be very yellowish, and then put the breadcrumbs. Now you're gonna take the bread and soak it in the egg. After that, you're gonna put it in the breadcrumbs and going to put it for a few minutes, and after that you can put in the empty plate. We're going to repeat this for all the thing. Don't put too much. Don't soak it in the egg too much, or it'll be so soggy. Put as much breadcrumbs as you can, so it will be tasty and crunchy in the end. I'm trying to use all the breadcrumbs because I don't want to waste. So if you guys don't want to waste the breadcrumbs, you guys also can do a method I'm going to teach you guys soon. After putting all this in the egg and the breadcrumbs, put it aside for a bit. Now we're going to heat the oil for a few minutes until it's overheated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to mix the balance, the remaining egg and the breadcrumbs, and we're going to put onions and pepper and a little bit of salt and mix it all together. Only a little bit of salt, don't add too much or it will be too salty. And mix very well. Mix until they all come together. So mixing all together. Mix the onions also. Everything must come together. The onions, the pepper, the salt, and everything must come together. So just mix until it feels like like very solid like that. For that, to make it solid, we're gonna put milk on. Add little by little, so that we won't add too much. This is the end. This is the results. We're gonna let it cool down first. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fry the bread cheese. Fry for only a few minutes, because if you put too much, it'll be very crispy and you can't taste the inside. You can't taste the cheese. So just put it for a few minutes and take it out quickly. After that, you're going to do the same for the others. You're also going to put for a few minutes only. So put it for a few minutes and then flip it. I was actually kind of scared of doing the flipping thing because this is my first time doing it. So I thought I should learn a method that if you want to flip, take it from the side, then you just to flip it. That's a very easy method. Hope you guys also can learn something from that. And don't go too close to the oil, because it will and then you should it will spread everywhere, so you might get hurt because it's very hot. So while you're doing that, you must let the others cool down. So while you're doing this, the other ones will be not that hot, so just put it on top of a tissue paper so you can absorb the oil, if you have too much of oil. What we're gonna do is, now we know the one we just mixed, right? We're gonna put that over in here, put in different areas so it won't get stuck. After that, just take it. After it's fried, just take it out very quickly. Don't fry it too much. You know, this will also taste nice. If you don't want to do this, it's okay. But mom didn't want to waste the remaining, so she just did this. So guys, this is how to make. This is the end. Hope you enjoy. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment. If one, you guys can even eat with sauce. You can use any kind of sauce. As you can see, the cheese is quite cheesy in the end. Bye.